This is the video review for Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class Air Raid. Here is Air Raid. He is a green jet, as you can see. He does actually sit alright in his landing gear, but that will be changed in about a second, because his dish really throws him off. Like I said, I'm sure that was just really confusing there, so I'm gonna make this a little easier. Here is Air Raid. He is a green, like 2-3 different shades of green. He's got some silver on him. He's got a nice Autobot symbol there, and like I said, he actually does sit on, isn't back heavy or anything horrendously, until you add his little radar dish. When you add the dish, it doesn't stay on. He doesn't stay. So yeah, really perfect vehicle mode, except for he has a fist coming out of the back. So that's not too terrible, but you can pop it out to get rid of it. But I think that's stupid. So yeah, to transform, it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna set that off to the side. But a beautiful vehicle mode. So, like I said, to transform, it's quite easy. I just want to lift these pieces up like that. Lift it up like that. Lift this up and over, Then come under here and pull these pieces out like that. Then you want to split. It'll be the legs. And fold them down like that. Then come up here like that and fold the arms out and down. Rotate the fist around. Do the same thing with this one. Instead, you want to rotate his mace weapon, or his flail weapon, or whatever you want to call it. And you want to come down here and fold these pieces up against his back, up against the back, like that, and then fold the heel spur back. And then, to get his head revealed, you just want to take this and fold it up, like that. And I'm just going to leave the piece, instead of having it down, instead of having it like that. Actually, I'll just go ahead and leave it like this. There we go. That covers the back a little better. So, there you have Air Raid. His head can come up a little bit further, I believe. There we go. His head pops into place, actually. Excuse me, let me fix Air Raid's backpack real quick. There we go. That's a little better. There we go. I got it how I want it. Okay. So here is Air Raid in his robot mode, although it does cut off the tops of his, the tops up there, the tops of his wings. That's okay. Here is his MagTech weapon. As you can see, it becomes from like a shield and a radar dish to a gun, and for some reason it transforms really weird. If you pull that out, look, only this side folds out, this side, it's solid. So yeah, and then you can see under here, this side's, excuse me, this side's filled in and this side's hollow. Yeah, so just peg that into his hand, and you can have it like this. Or if you want to fold that piece down he can have a shield. Yep. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. So there you have Air Raid. Articulation-wise, he's got ball jointed shoulders, rotate at the upper bicep, elbow hinge there. He has a ball joint on his one hand. He has 2 points of articulation at the mace flail weapon. No waist articulation. He has ball jointed hips. Can rotate at the upper thigh there. Can bend at the knees. And his feet do not have any articulation. So it's not the most well articulated figure, but it is a very, very nice figure, all in all. The backpack keeps popping out of how I like it. Okay. I do not have any size comparisons around here to compare him with, unfortunately. So I can't compare him, but it's a very, very nice figure. A lot of people were turned off by him because of how thin looking he is, and because of some of the people that haven't liked him. But I really think this is a good figure, and it's a really good part of my collection. I snagged this off Target's website for $10 and some cents, and it was like $6 to ship to me because I paid the second class shipping, not the standard shipping with the level up. And they turned out to ship it from a place like 15 minutes from my house. So I paid an extra $1 just to get it the same day. I felt a little mad about that, but still, it turned out to be like $17. But still, it's like $4 or $5 over retail. But still, I haven't been able to find Air Raid's wave at all locally. So I have I actually ordered Dark Steel from Hasbro Toy Shop before. I ordered Air Raid, and it was too much of a complication to cancel my Dark Steel in Hasbro Toy Shop and then order Dark Steel from Target.com where I got Air Raid. So I have Dark Steel coming from Hasbro Toy Shop along with Generations Junk Keep and Sky Shadow. Sky Shadow should be here early next week. Junk Keep and Dark Steel have not shipped yet because Dark Steel was on pre-order. So yep, just wanted to tell you guys just a little info there for you guys. But all in all, a great figure in Dark Steel, or not Dark Steel, in Air Raid. I was thinking of Dark Steel in Air Raid. Great figure. He's got a really nice fin up there. He's got a really nice head mold. And although he is that really skinny, lanky figure that everyone was talking about that they didn't like, I think I really like it. Although the legs could have been a little better designed, I do think that overall he's about an 8 out of 10. Yep. But, there's not much more I can say about him. He's got some very nice, it's coming out as more of a dark, rich gold here on the camera, but in reality, his headpiece and then this chest piece is more of it's an actual gold color, it's coming out more of a copperish color, as far as I can tell on my camera, and it's not like that. But it's a very nice figure, so all in all, I suggest you get him. So there you guys have it, a review for Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class Air Raid.